is up, Love Nation? It's your girl, Sister. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. Me and Light Skin about to get on this scat. So, wish me luck, because if he throw up on me, we fighting, y'all. You ready for this? You ready for a big boy ride? Look at his face.
You might as well take that on there with you.
No. What the heck you talking about? You gotta do it.
Bruh, nah, bruh.
He gotta do it.
Oh my God.
You have my baby.
Alright.
Mac at him.
Always.
I had to give him the rest of my tickets so that he could hold my spot for me. So all I got is enough tickets to ride this ride.
Okay.
Pops is back there.
Alright.
Let's go to you.
What do you think he gonna do? He gonna throw up?
Yes, sir.
Look at him nervous. See if he's nervous as I don't know what.
Don't be nervous. You don't want to feed him.
Oh God. Are y'all twins?
No.
You're apart? Who's the oldest? You the oldest? Okay.
Yeah, but I can beat him up.
You said you the oldest, right?
Yeah, but I can beat him up in a fight.
You can beat him up in a fight. Uh-oh. You hear him, Pops?
I hear him.
Right. That's bone crusher right there. Oh, okay. Hey, chill out there. I don't want y'all to fight now. Y'all don't have to prove it to me. I'm pretty sure both of y'all tough.
You know, I'll kick him in the balls.
Oh, Lord.
Oh my God. Right. This ain't got no sense. Look, you supposed to wait until the ride stops. I don't care. Jesus, fix it. What the heck is wrong with you?
I was saying praise the Lord Jesus.
Okay, something bad could have happened to you. You should have waited until the daggone ride stopped. Like, seriously, look. On some real, you alright? Well, look at you.
Perfectly fine. There's a hole right
You
there.
dizzy as I don't know what?
My titties was in my throat and I couldn't breathe. I was like, thank God for the kitties that are on here without titties yet, y'all.
Oh, God.
Neck, I was like,
Where the heck is he going?
I'm just gonna let him go. You know what? He can have it. He not built for this life.
All right.
He talking about roller coasters. Can't even handle.
Look at it. Where's he going, bro?
Probably going to Max some more.
Oh my God.
He can have it.
The ride didn't even stop all the way, and he up
He
there.
was out. I said, Marcus, what are you doing? The whole time we were going, I was like, calm down, Light Skin. Calm down.
I thought she was about to throw up. For real, for real.
Me?
Yes.
No,
You got it. You a soldier.
I'm fine. 28 years strong. These things close to share. What is up, Love Nation? So we out here at the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, y'all. We got Kay over here. Say hey, Kay. So we gonna watch the fireworks with y'all.
No, they gonna watch the fireworks with us. second.